everybody. Welcome to NSB Custom Cars. We got the Grand Prix pulled out and put back in the storage for right now until we get our parts in to do what we need to do to it. Since then, I brought the satellite back in and plan on starting to do some body work on it. Also, I got some good news. We got all the parts in finally for doing our disc brake conversion kit. Yeah, let me show it to you. So here it is. We've got 3 boxes that came in. I haven't even opened all of it yet, but it did come in. So we can get that. And I'm in no big hurry at this point. I mean, I've been waiting all this time. So what we really got to address is getting all the body work done on this car. So pretty much that's going to be, I'm going to start here in the quarter panels, which I've got all my welding and stuff done on it. So we got to do some sanding. So in doing this body work, it makes a mess. I have my portable paint booth. I can blow it up, pull the car in and do all the body work in it. But you're going to have 2 fans constantly running, and body work takes quite a bit of time. Not to mention all that dust is going to get in the paint booth, so you're going to have to clean the whole paint booth out before you can even paint a car. All that dust is going to go back into the paint. So I'm using the paint booth, nothing but paint. What I came up with, something I'm going to try. You know, I can go outside with it and do it outside, but right now here in Florida, every day it's raining in the evening time, and that's usually when I come home from work, the time that I'm going to be working on this. So I need to be in my shop or in the garage. So what I came up with is online. I did a little looking, and I got one of these easy pop-ups, which is right here in the box. And I'm going to set it up and put it on the back side of the car. It's just a 10 by 10. It's got a complete enclosure around it. Here, let me show you what it kind of looks like. So it's got you can see it's got little windows, supposed to have windows in it. So once we get that set up, I'll let you see what it looks like. So let me get this out of the box. We'll get it set up and see if we're going to be able to work out of it. Alright guys, while I put this contraption up around this car, I'm going to give you a little video, something going on while I put that together. This is something I did a couple years ago. I built a what they call a pit bike. You know, it's something if you go to the racetrack, car show, you go somewhere, you know, and you want a little bike that you can ride around. That's pretty good to get around on. So let me show you what I built and kind of what I built it out of. Start out, you know, back in the day, they used to have these little things. Pretty much, they called them a go-ped. You know, it's a little push thing. Used to have a little bitty motor and these little bitty plastic tires. A sidewalk jumper. Kids would get on it and they'd have some fun on it. Probably last 2 or 3 weeks and they'd tear up. You still find these laying around like this one, piece of junk. You know, someone took the motor off of, everything's missing. So yeah, that's a good starting platform. You know, it still even has the old fold down where you can put it in the trunk of your car or whatever. That's the first piece. You know, you need something like that. One of these. This is a swing arm off a motorcycle. This one particularly is a KZ 1900, anywhere in that range. It's old school. Used to have the old shocks in the back. Steel. So you can weld on. All your new ones now are aluminum, so you're going to need something steel. So you're going to need one of these. A caster. And this is a big tire caster. You know, it spins around. You can pick these up, Harbor Freight, I think $19, $25 or so. You're going to need one. A go-kart tire. And this is a little fatty go-kart tire, and I would suggest to get a fatty go-kart tire, even bigger if you can get one a little bit bigger than this one, which I did. But that's a good little go-kart tire. Now, this one is a little tire come off a pocket bike. Used to be one of them little bitty miniature motorcycles. And I'm pretty sure this is the rear tire. I used the front tire, but this is a pocket bike tire. And of course, a little red wagon. This is my grandchild, so I went to the flea market, found one, picked one up, and used it. And so let me show you. You get all this stuff accumulated over time. So I decided I'm going to build a little bike out of it. Let me show you what one looks like when you're done. Once you get all that stuff, you get it all put together, I kind of cut, I raked the front end back a little bit. This is your caster down here, and I put the pocket bike front end on it. I had to put a little disc brake piece on there. The little red wagon. And this folds up. As far as the motor goes, it's a Predator motor. Got it from Harbor Freight, $99 with a coupon. So went on there really nice. My gear setup, I got it from TSC Tractor Supply. They got all the chain, the little gear, different size gears, the clutch, you can get all that there. As you can see, I kind of laid the swing arm down here. You can see where I put me a plate and mounted the motor. Got plenty of room for a big tire to fit in that. Also, the bearing kit, I got that at TSC also. As you notice, the chrome pipe, that's handlebars off the motorcycle. This is just one side. I cut it. This is where the throttle would be. You know, if you was riding the motorcycle down the road, it's your throttle, or the clutch side, one side or the other. Other than that, the little motor runs good, and it's got plenty of power. And of course, I always put you a kill switch on it. That's pretty much it. It's a quick little project that if you come up a few of these things that I showed you, you can substitute pieces, you know. But this is a fun little ride. If it wasn't raining, I would take you down the road and show you if it's raining on me right now. So, but it goes pretty good. So that's pretty much it. Pit Bike 101. Fun little ride, you ought to make you one. All right, we got her set up. Check it out. Check it out. So as you can see, it kind of covers the back half of the car, and there's plenty of room. I can come in here, do all my sanding. I put my fan back here where it'll blow right out the garage door, so kind of make a wind tunnel in here. And I can actually move this over some if I need it out of my way. I can do that on either side as I work. So as you can see, I got it pretty much covered up. Hopefully that'll contain most of that dust and get it out from just going everywhere in this shop. We'll see how it works. Unfortunately, I got my DA out just to see how it was going to do, and it all ripped apart, so I had to throw it away. Yeah, as you can see it's fixing to all break apart, so I got to get some new pads so I can even sand now. But it is what it is. So I guess I'm going to get working on some body work, smearing some mud, and get all this on its way. For right now, this will be all on this video. And once I get a lot of body work done, some priming done, you'll see what I've got done to it. We'll shoot another video. But right now, that'll be all we got. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time.